Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone, good evening. Alright, so let's start. This is the very first session of this free workshop. Okay, I hope you have watched yesterday's this thing, syllabus and strategy class. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is how the schedule will be going ahead. Okay. Today we are having three sessions: linear, circular, and miscellaneous arrangement. Okay. In the linear arrangement, we are going to cover the linear parallel arrangement, single line and double line, where people sit facing each other. Okay. These two will cover in this hour. In the next hour, we'll cover circular sitting arrangement. In the third hour, we'll cover the sitting arrangement, which is sometimes added with puzzles. So miscellaneous. Okay. Is there a lag? No, there is no lag, guys. If it's lagging from your end, please refresh. Okay? Alright, let's start then. We are starting with the first topic, that is linear sitting arrangement. Okay? So this is the schedule for the entire week, 6 days. Who is confused? We haven't even started yet. What happened? Hmm? If it's lagging for you, please refresh. It's not lagging from my end. Yes, this classes are for everybody, from beginner to those who are reappearing to those who started late, early, whenever. Okay, it's like a crash course. It's like a crash course when we are going to cover all the topics. So it's starting today, and these are the entire LR syllabus that we are going to cover. Okay, what is the LR syllabus? Number one topic is sitting arrangement. Two is puzzles. Three is quantitative reasoning. Fourth is games and tournament, and last is Venn diagram. Okay, so these are the 5 topics that are going to be covered. The entire LR will be covered with this. The level of the questions will be mixed. It will be of all kind. And basically, I'll not talk in terms of easy, moderate, difficult. The level of the questions that we are going to do is going to be tricky and conceptual, so that from each question we are able to learn something new, some new concept, some new idea, some new approach. Okay, that will be my target. So I'll be taking up different kind of messages, different kind of sets accordingly. Okay, clear? Okay, so sitting arrangement today, tomorrow is puzzles. Puzzle won't finish in 3 class. Okay, under puzzles there are 3 topics: matching, team formation, and ordering. We will do 3 of them in 3 classes. And Wednesday, first class, we will also use for miscellaneous puzzle. On Wednesday, we are going to do number-based puzzle. So we'll enter the topic quantitative reasoning. Okay, there is a type of quantitative reasoning question which are just like puzzles only, but it includes some numbers. So number based puzzle, and one is hardcore quant question, which might include some quantitative logic. Okay, so we are going to do 2 classes for number based puzzle and 3 classes for quantitative logic questions. 3 classes for games and tournament and 3 for Venn diagram. Okay, yeah, conceptual classes. Let's start now. First topic is linear sitting arrangement. Linear sitting arrangement. Okay, there is no like basic is only of 5 minutes. There is no theory in LRDI, so there is just a 5 minute basic that I'm going to tell you. After that, we'll start seeing the questions. Okay, so under linear arrangement there are two types. One is single line and one is double line. Under double line again, under single line again there are many variations. Like there can be a single line where all the people are facing north. There can be a single line where all the people are facing south. There can be a single line where some are facing north and some are facing south. Okay. There can be a vertical single line arrangement where they might ask you to arrange some books from top to bottom, or they might ask you to arrange some people on different floors of a building, or they might ask you to make people stand in a queue. Okay. So vertical single arrangements are also possible. Okay. And then we have so ये हो गया, these are the three possible types of single line. In a double line arrangement, what is the figure we take? Something like this. You can also call it parallel arrangement. Okay. So what happens there is we have to do this. Okay. This. Suppose there are 10 people. You have to make them sit in two parallel lines and they are facing each other. Okay, that's it. This is the theory in linear sitting arrangement. Have you got the theory? Okay, now the main part is marking the directions. Okay, so you will see that in questions like this, the major questions will include left, right. You know, this person is to the left of this person is to the right of this person. So how do we identify left, right correctly? We don't have to remember it. Then you can just assume you are sitting at this position and facing that side. So suppose I am sitting on that line and I am facing to front. Where is my left and right? Do I know? Yeah, I know how to mark my left and right. So I'll just mark it. Left, right. Now if I'm sitting here facing back, if I turn back, my left and right will change. So accordingly, I can imagine myself sitting facing behind, and accordingly I mark my left and right. In these cases, you have to be extra careful because people who are facing this side will have their left here, and people who are facing this side will have their right here. Right, left. Okay, so in cases like this becomes a bit tough. You have to be like very careful because there are two left and right directions. Okay, in this one it's above or below. Above or below terms are used. This is easy. Did you get it? Anybody have a doubt? Okay, so you just have to assume, you just have to place yourself in that place wherever you want to find the direction and find your left and right. You know where your left and right is. Accordingly, you can mark the direction. Okay? So in this case, left, right, right. So left, right. So you just have to be careful with the directions. If you are careful with the directions, you will never go wrong. Okay? One more one more concept that you will require to solve linear sitting arrangement. Now we are going to do that. Just give me 5 more minutes and then we'll start with the questions. Okay. So for this one, suppose I have taken these many seats: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is left and this is right. Okay. And I have made A sit here. 11 and 6 will be in the center. Huh? So A is sitting here. Now tell me, if I tell you B is 4 places away from A. Where is B? B is 4 places away from A. Face direction is north. No, I have given already. This is left and this is right. Face direction will be north. B is 4 places away from A. Where is B? My question is, where is B? Okay, so some of them are saying 2 or 10. Some are saying 1 or 11. Okay? So let's see. Now those who are saying 1 or 11 are wrong. Okay, why? 2 or 10 is the correct answer, because when you do the counting, you do it this way. This is 0 place away. ठीक है? If B is exactly at position 6 only, B will be how many places away with a 0. So at 5 or 7, B will be how much place away? 1. At 4, 2. At 3, 3. At 2, 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if B is 4 places away from A, it only means there will be 3 gaps in between. Okay, next question. B is third to the right of A. B is third to the right of A. Where is B? We will be at 9. Let's see. So A is here, first right, second right, third right. Okay, the answer is 9. Not 3 or 9, Dipali, not 3 or 9. I have mentioned the side, right? I have told right. So you have to only check on right, not on the left. Okay? Last time we had taken 2 answers because it was the direction was not mentioned. We didn't know whether it is left or right. This time we know that we have to find the right position. So it is 9. Next one, tell me next one. There are 2 people between A and B. But from A's position, right is 3. A is here, no? A's right is that side. So, first right, second right, third right. A is facing north. Yugansh, please see. Okay, in this case, some of them are answering 4, 5, others are answering 3, 9. Okay, so where is there are 2 people between A and B. A is here at 6. 1, 2, 2 people between A and B. B can be at 3. This side, if we go, 2 people between A and B. B can be at 9. So the answer is 3 and 9. If nothing is given, we assume that people are facing north side. Yes, if nothing is mentioned about the direction of people facing, you can take it as north. Okay? If there will be anything like if they are facing south, or if some of them are facing south, some of them are facing north, ऐसा कुछ भी रहा तो they will inform you. And if nothing is given, take it as north. All right, can we start with actual questions now? Okay, if we face any difficulty there, then I'll explain it there itself. Okay, that's it. There is no more theory in this thing, linear arrangement. So just give me 1 minute. I'll upload the question. Question say next to. So tell me, okay, I've got one more question. Tell me if the question says B is adjacent to A. What does it mean? B is adjacent to A. Adjacent means what? Neighbor. Okay? Neighbor, but left or right, that we don't know. Therefore, you can put it as like 2 sides. Okay? 5 or 7. A is at 6, so adjacent will be 5 or 7. One second. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm uploading the question. Okay, so here are the questions on the board. One second, I was not speaking. Last question is C is to the right of A. Where is C? If C is to the right of A, the answer is C can be anywhere from 7 to 11. Because kitna right ye nahi bataya. Whether C is to the immediate right or first right, like second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right, it is not mentioned. So we will not assume. We will take all the possibilities. If they say C is to the right of A, कहीं भी right. ठीक है, how many ever positions are possible, कहीं भी हो सकता है C. Okay, so these are the three questions. See them. Now we are starting with actual questions. Whatever more we have to learn, we will do it through questions. Okay, see the questions. Nobody will send the answers. One by one, I'll start the poll. क्या नहीं दिख रहा? Please refresh if you can't see the question. What was that? B is adjacent to A. B is adjacent to A means B is at 5 or 7. Next to A. Adjacent means neighbor. So next to A. Zoom करना है? Okay. Okay, so guys, those who are attending this class, please make sure that you attend the entire 18 hours workshop. Okay, this week and then next week we have a DI workshop. Finish both. At the end we will have a test, check your understanding test and you can see कि कितना समझ आया है, कितना नहीं आया. And after that I'll be also providing counseling. Okay, provided you have to do the entire this thing. Okay, entire workshop you need to attend. Join the group for more updates. Yeah, DI will plan for DI will require lesser hours than allowed. DI will see next week. First question done. Please don't send answers. We'll do the poll. Just let me know that first question is done. Plus course have already started, Yashu. Just recently we have started plus courses on LR and DI. Late joinees can see it later. You can take a screenshot of this page. This is the entire workshop schedule. Take a screenshot and later you will also find the entire details on the group. Yashu, please check on the plus group. Fine. I'm starting the poll for first question. How many of you are ready? Use the thumbs up smiley to let me know. Oh, I think everybody is ready. Anishi, because you are not on plus. Okay, now the other group's link is pinned. You can join it later. Okay, first question. The poll have been started. Mark your answer. Should we solve it one by one or together? Should I do the poll for all three and then start solving? Or single set? Together? Fine. Are you getting it? Solve हो रहा है ना? Okay, some of them want me to solve it single. ठीक है, I'll do the first one and then next two we can do it together. ठीक है? If poll is not visible, you will have to refresh. Okay, only 41% of the class have marked it correct, which is very bad. Let's see. A grocer, a doctor, a lawyer, a tailor, and a barber are 5 persons seated in a row. The grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to the barber. So as soon as I know what I have to do after reading the first line, I know that I have to arrange 5 people on a straight line. Okay. So what I will do is I'll quickly take a straight line and put 5 positions on it. Is everybody facing in the same direction? They haven't mentioned. So what should I do? कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. What should I do? I'll just take all of them are facing north. Don't think much. Take everybody. Take all the 5 people are facing north. ठीक है? Then put left and right. We'll put the left and right direction. How will we do that? By assuming yourself to be seated at these one position, you can find your left and right. That's how you can fix the left and right. Okay, this is done. Now start with the clues. What is wrong with the color of my pen? Are you facing problem with that? Okay. I think some of you are watching in dark mode or something. So when I'm using the black pen, it's not visible. Please change it. Okay, please change your mode to light. Okay. The grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to each other. The grocer and the barber. The grocer and the barber do not want to sit next to each other. So I just wrote that down as a visual clue and cancelled it. Why? Why? See, they only told us कि grocer and barber साथ में नहीं बैठ सकते. But where exactly they can sit, that we don't know. So I cannot place them in my table, in my arrangement right now. ठीक है? So I have put it aside as a clue. अब मैं जब इसको देखूंगी मुझे समझ आ जाएगा कि मैं grocer और barber को साथ साथ नहीं रख सकती. इससे क्या होगा? Why are we using these clues? इससे क्या होगा? We are not skipping any clue ना. हम line से clues को use करते हुए जाएंगे. And what will happen is at the end, when we are reading the last line, our job will be done. We will not have to read this passage again and again and again. We don't have so much time. Okay, we have to do it only once. So therefore, whatever I read here, I have put it as a visual clue. Next one, the barber and tailor sit immediately next to each other. So barber and tailor are sitting together, but I don't know where. Barber and tailor can be sitting together here. Barber, tailor, barber, tailor, barber, tailor, barber, tailor, or tailor, barber, tailor, barber. There are so many options, right? So we cannot place them right now. I've just put them here. Let's look at next clue. The lawyer is at the right end of the row. Now this is one exact clue. This is one definite clue. It have told me the exact position of the lawyer. So I'll be able to place the lawyer. Lawyer is at right end. So we have put him there. Next, the grocer is to the immediate left of lawyer. So once we have placed the lawyer, we can place the grocer now. They told us the grocer is to the immediate left of lawyer. Okay, so we have placed the grocer. Now we cannot have the barber next to the grocer. So this place cannot be taken by the barber. 3 positions are still left. Do we have more clues? No. No. So now what can we do? यहाँ पे barber नहीं हो सकता, but other 2 can be there. Which means the tailor can be here. If the tailor is here, barber will be here, and who is left? Doctor. Okay, doctor will be here. The other option is who can be here? The doctor. If the barber cannot be here, the tailor or the doctor can be here, right? If tailor is here, this will be the solution. If doctor is here, what will happen? If doctor is here, this can be tailor, barber, or barber, tailor. So total 3 cases are there, and in 2 of them, doctor will be in the center, and in 1 of them, tailor is there in the center. So the question is, who is in the middle of the row? Can we answer? Can we say it is tailor? No. अगर ये केस हुआ तो डॉक्टर भी हो सकता है. Can we say it is doctor? No. Why? अगर ये केस होता है, दूसरा ऊपर वाला केस होता है, तो tailor will be the answer. Therefore, what should be marked? Cannot be determined. I hope it's clear. Please do the next 2 questions correct. Okay, next 2 I'll do the poll together, and then we will solve it together. Okay. Let me know as soon as you are ready for the next poll. You can, as soon as you're ready, you can just go on hitting this thumbs up. ठीक है? So I'll just check and accordingly start the poll. एक बंदा please एक ही hit करो, otherwise how will I know? ठीक है, 120 of them are done. We will wait. Yeah, do it, do it. Shiva Lokesh, for degree they consider it from third sem. Guys, you have to be quick. Already half an hour is gone. We also have to do double line questions. Be quick, don't take much time in these kind of questions. These are easy. Second question, should I start the poll? Okay. Second question, mark your answer. The poll is of 1 minute. Aram se do it and mark. Okay, better response this time. Last time it was 40% correct. This time it is close to 80 till now. Let's see. Also, are you ready for the next question? Those who have marked the poll, please start solving third one. We'll do the poll together and then discuss. %67. Okay. Okay, please tell me for the third one. Yes, Harvi. Okay, some of them are asking to wait. Okay, 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 we'll wait. Please don't send confused smiley, I'll wait. Okay. Some beginners are taking time. Guys, be quick, but seriously. Okay, after this, let's take up double line. I'll provide you with practice sheets. So those who are attending the class till the end of third class, today will get a practice sheet. And if you can practice sitting arrangement questions from there, you can start practicing from there. Because see, in the class, we will only be able to do limited questions. So unless you practice on your own, the topic won't fit properly in your brain. So don't forget to self-practice. Okay, now let's start the poll. Alright, no worries. Enough time is given. Let's start the poll. Those who are not able to do, we'll see it together. Okay, let's start solving the second one now. 5 people, Pradeep, Kutub, so you can take it as P, Q, R, S and T are in a row. Raj sits to the immediate right of Tej. So wait, first of all we can use the same this one. I'll just remove this. Okay. Okay, so P, Q, R, S, T are there and they are sitting in a row. Raj sits to the immediate right of Tej. So wherever Tej is, Raj is to the immediate right of Tej. Okay? Next. Um, if Pradeep and Kutub have two persons sitting between them, which of the following must be true? That is all. They have given very less information. If Pradeep and Kutub have two people sitting between them, so where can we put it? Suppose we take cases, we can put Tej and Raj here. Okay, in any other case, we can put Tej and Raj here, here, and here. Okay, these are the total 4 possible cases. Okay, these are the 4 possible cases to place Tej and Raj. Now, Pradeep and Kutub have 2 people between them. In this case, can Pradeep and Kutub have 2 people between them? Is it possible? Can I put 2 people between P and Q in this case? No, there are only 3 positions. That's not possible. It's not possible. So I'll just eliminate this case. Next one in this, can I put? Yes, if I put one out of P or Q here, I can put the other one here and S can be here. This is one possibility. Next, in this case also it's possible if I put one out of P or Q here, Q or P here, and S here, this is also correct possibility. In this case, again, only 3 places are here, so I cannot put 2 people between P and Q. This case is cancelled. As easy as that. Ho gaya. Why were you taking so much time? Done. We got the 2 cases. And यही 2 possible cases है. ठीक है? So now, which of the following must be true पूछा है. Must be true means it should be true for all the cases. Pradeep is at one end of the row. Maybe. It is maybe true, right? अगर Pradeep यहाँ होता है, then Pradeep is not at the end. So this is not definitely true. Kutub is sitting beside Pradeep. No, that is not true at all. One among Tej and Raj is at one of the ends of the row. That's not true. Tej and Raj are both in the middle. Sandy is at one end of the row. That we can see is true. Okay, Sandy in both cases is at one end of the row. So this is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, okay. Okay, Sunny. Okay, next one. 4 boxes PQRS, 3 files ABC are kept on the table. So total items are 7. Total 7 items this time are kept on the table. Let's remove this. Yeah, 3 we are doing it together. Wait. So we need this time place for 7 items. We need place for 7 items. I'll just put here 2 more. Guys, network glitches are not from my end. Maybe it's because of your data. Please save the data these 6 days. You don't have to pay for the workshop, but I think at least you can get 51 rupees recharge on your Jio. You know, 15 into 6 days is some 300 rupees. So think that this course is worth 300 and you can attend the classes in a better way. Okay, please do that. It will be a good thing. It's for your benefit I'm talking. Okay? Or if you have Wi-Fi, that's the best thing possible. Let's do it. Okay, 4 boxes and 3 files I have to place on this table. So I have taken 7 places together. Now I'll start reading the clues. File C has as many items to its left as to its right. Where should I place C? If C have as many items to the left as to the right, where should I place C? Middle. Okay, if C is in the middle, there are 3 people to the left of C and 3 people to the right of C. No box is at the end of the row, which means at the end of the row we will have books. At the end of the row we will have books. If there are no bags at the end of the row, what is that? Whatever it is, files है ना. ठीक है. So we will have the files at the end. Okay, next. The files are A or B because C is also a file. There are total 3 files, A or B. So either A will be here or B, either B will be here or A. That leaves us with the other places for what? For boxes. So the all other 4 places are for boxes. Let's see more clues. Uh, Box P is kept to the immediate right of file A. If box P have to be to the right of file A cannot be at that end. If A is here, A के right में there is no place. Therefore, A should be here. If A is here, A के right में P can be there. ठीक है? So, if A is there, who will be here? P. Fine. Next, box P is to the right of A, while file C is kept to the immediate left of R. If C is to the left of R, immediate left, it means R is here. ठीक है? That's it. Okay, no more clues, which means we don't have idea about QS. Fine, let's look at the question. Question is, what is kept third from the right end of the row? From here, third is 1, 1, 2, 3. It is R. Option C. Got it? See, third one was also easy, guys. Please focus. Focus on the words. It's basic English. इंग्लिश में कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं, उसको अगर आप फॉलो कर सकते हो तो आप सॉल्व कर पाओगे. Yugansh, you will have to watch recording. See, after I have finished solving the third one, Yugansh is asking doubt that please solve 2 again. That is not possible. Okay, in a class of 335 of you, if I keep catering to such doubts, I'll never be able to proceed forward. अगर डाउट आते हैं उसी वक्त पूछो या फिर आप बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग में देखो. ठीक है? Okay, let's move on. Now we will do double line arrangement. Just give me 1 second to upload the set. Double line. Or let's do one set, no? We haven't done any set. एक सेट कर लेते हैं. Anyways, we have 3 hours, no? So let's do one set on single line and then we can move in double line. Or let's see what question is this. Ek baar let me upload first. Amitesh, for yesterday's session, those who have missed yesterday's strategy session and those who are asking will this session continue every day, please join the group. है ना? एक link pin की गई है, वहाँ पे channel join कर लो, you will get all the information. This workshop will go on for 6 days and all the other information is there. ठीक है? You'll also find a link in the group itself जहाँ पे आपको ये page खुल जाएगा and यहाँ पे strategy की link is given. ठीक है? Do it after the class. Focus on this class right now. At the end, I'll inform you about everything. Okay, so this is the set. Do it. Try it. Try it, guys. Try to be more focused. Concentrate. Read the information. Normal English instructions are given. If you know how to read and understand English, you should be able to solve. It is no rocket science. Please try it, with 100% focus. Priya, in that case, you can text me on Telegram. My ID is Iriya Agarwal without space. आप Unacademy की spelling wrong लिख रहे हो, Priya. That's the reason. Next to each other means what? Kashish. I'll have to tell you that now. If I say Like if two people, two friends A and B are sitting next to each other, what does that mean? Hmm? अगल बगल में ना, पास पास में, adjacent, neighbors. Okay, do it now. Zoom out. Okay. Do it. Confused from where to start. 7 men have parked their cars in a row. Why, Anshu? Just make a straight line, no? 7 cars are parked in a row. क्या हुआ? Make a straight line and place the cars. Make a straight line and place the cars just like I have shown you already, no? Those were small questions. This is a set, but it's the same thing only. Just like we did that one, we have to do this one. Take a line. There are steps, no? Step 1 is reading the first part and figuring out कि कैसा diagram चाहिए. So I read the first part and I saw 7 men are there. They have parked their cars in a row. So I need a row of 7 cars. I need a row where I can place 7 cars. So what I will do, I will not read further. Second step is to do the framework. I'll make a straight line and make 7 small lines on it. Then I will start reading the clues. And I've shown you know, how I am using the clues. You have seen me solving 3 questions till now. Still you haven't got the pattern. हर question में मेरा system एक ही है. I have the same steps that I am following. You also have to stick to those, है ना? Okay, should I start the poll? How many of you are ready? Okay, so question number 17. Mark your answer. But only 94 of them have done this. What about others? 200 of you, are you not done? ठीक है, wait. Please, Dipesh and others, those who are confused where to start from, है ना? Next, this time I am solving. Please watch carefully. ठीक है? It's okay, Priya. Please wait. Guys, I'm ready with the answers. As soon as you say, we can start the board. Okay, let's start. So, question number 17. Question number 17. I'm not getting it. Are you ready? Okay, by now you should be ready. Let's do it. Jinka nahi hua, it means they are not being able to solve. So let's not waste time. If we keep wasting time, we'll not be able to do more questions. Question 17. Mark your answer. Okay, when I'm asking if you are done, it means either you are done and you have got the answer. It also means you are done trying. ठीक है, तो भी ये किया करो. यहाँ हो गया, हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. Don't just sit there. Respond properly so that we can, do more number of questions. %47. Next one, question 18. Mark your answer. Question 19. "20 options are visible. It's only E, only F, only E or F, E or F or B." %27. Very bad. Last one. Someone is confused even during the poll. Not at the right place. Yes, Mohit, what's your problem? Poll is active, Anshika. Poll is active for the last question. 41% have marked the correct answer. Fine. Let's quickly discuss this and then we will go for a 5-minute break and join back in the next session and continue with double line arrangement. Okay, in the next session, as soon as we start, we will see one double line question and then move on to circular. Okay? So next class is actually of circular, but thoda bahut idhar udhar to hoga hi. Okay, let's do it. No, these are not previous questions. 7 men A, B, C, D, E, F, G have parked their cars in a row. The cars of E and F should be next to each other. Okay. So as soon as I read the first part, first of all, what I'll do is I'll get a line. I'll get a line so that I can place these people. So I've taken a line and I'll make 7 small lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to place 7 cars like this. Let us take left to right. Okay. Now, the cars of E and F should be next to each other. So E and F जहाँ भी होंगे साथ में होने चाहिए. E and F should be together. Next, the cars of D and G should be parked next to each other. Even D and G should be together. E and F should be together. Wherever they are, they should be together. साथ साथ में होने चाहिए next to each other. There should be no one in between them. ठीक है? Whereas A and B cannot park their cars next to each other. A and B cannot be together. ठीक है? Next, But B and D must park their cars next to each other. But B and D must park next to each other means can I put B here only? Okay. On one side of D, it will be B, and one side it will be G. But which side I don't know. Means it can be B D G or G D B. Okay. Next. Where are we? Each other, and C's car is parked to the immediate right of G. C's car is to the immediate right of G, which means, is this case possible? No. Why? G के right में we need C, which means this case is cancelled and we can only have B, D, G, C. तो ये चार लोग की तो हमें fixed position मिल गई. Now we don't have more clues. So what to do? How can we complete the arrangement? Start from here, ठीक है? B, D, B, D, G, C. That is one case. B, D, G, C. That is another case. B, D, G, C. That is the third case. And B, D, G, C. This is the fourth case. Okay? Total 4 cases we have got till now. Now let's place EF. EF have to be together. EF have to be together. So what can we do? We'll get total 3 cases in here. How? One can be E, F, and who is left? A, no? A. One can be E, F, and A. One can be F, E, and A. One can be A, E, and F. One can be A, F, and D. Total, okay, not 3. We have got total 4 cases from here. Okay, from here alone, we have got total 4 cases. Okay, I'll just write it in a short form. I'll write it as E or F, F or E, and A, or A, E or F, F or E. Done. So total 4 cases. Clear? Yeah, 4 cases हो गए, 2 नहीं, because when they are telling E and F are together, तो यार E और F तो तभी together है अगर हम E और F रखते हैं, and E and F is together if we keep FE. So किसी भी order में रखे E and F should be together. That's the only clue. Therefore we will have to take all the cases. ठीक है? Next one, B, D, G, C. In this case, to place E and F, this is the only option. And if we put E and F here, what will happen? A will come here. Is it possible for A and B to be together? No. So this case will be eliminated. Second case is invalid. Anybody have a doubt? Why are we putting B on the left only? Shudhanshu, because see, first we got to know that D and G should be together. That is the first clue we got. Now D and G could have been together this way or this way. Then I got to know that B and D also have to be together. So if B and D are together in this case, B को इधर ही होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि D के उस तरफ तो already G है. And if B and D have to be together in this case, B को इधर ही होना पड़ेगा. 2 cases थे. Then they told us, look at this. C's car is parked to the immediate right of G. And where is the right of G? Right of G is here. Right of G is here. So immediate right of G, we can place C here. But in this case, immediate right of G is already D. Therefore, we cannot take this case. इसलिए B is on the left. Okay. So in this case is cancelled. I hope it's clear. Next one. In the next one, again, it's possible. We can place E or F here, F or E here, and we can fix A this side. So this case is possible. And how many cases are here? Total 2. In this one, we cannot place A here. So let us place either E or F here, either F or E here, and A here. 2 cases here also. Total 8 cases are there. Clear? Okay? So the answer to this question 19 should be 8 cases. Okay, other questions, let's see. If A's car is not next to C's, if A's car, see in this case A's car is next to C. In this case A's car might be next to C. In this case A's car is definitely not next to C. करना क्या है? Then what is the position of A from the right end of the row? So from right end of the row, A is 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. In this case, A is 7th. But you will also have to take this case. Why? because see in this case if I put C, E, F here or F, E here, A here, तो फिर A और C साथ में नहीं है, ठीक है? So in this case, where is A? First from the right. So the correct answer is 1 or 7. Both are valid. ठीक है? Okay, next one. If F does not park his car next to A, if F is not next to A, then which car is to the left extreme? If F is not next to A, which is left extreme. So left extreme, where is A in left extreme? In this case, A is to the left extreme. And if F's car is not next to A, it will be E here and F here. Question क्या है? इसके according, इस case के according हमें answer करना है. Question is, which of the following men park their cars between the cars E and G? Between E is here and G is here. So it's F, B and D. F, B and D, option B. Last one. If A, I cannot explain 19 again. अभी नहीं बोल सकते 19 मैंने फर्स्ट में कराया, ये सारे केसेस मैंने पूरा लिखा है, ये लिख के बताया है. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू 19 अगेन. 4 + 2 + 2 is 8. Last one, 20th. If A parks his car to the immediate right of C, if A's car is to the immediate right of C, it is in this case. Then which of the following cars can be parked at its left extreme end? Left extreme end will be either E or F. Either E or F option. Wait. If A have parked his car to the immediate right of C. Here also it's possible, no? C in this case. If you take this case, then also it's possible. So even B can be at the leftmost end. So it will be B, E, F. The answer is option D. Okay, I have explained very nicely in much detail. If anybody have not followed, please watch the recording later. Okay? Alright, we'll end this session here. Please join the next session on time. Take a 2-3 minutes break and join the next session. Okay? Okay, you can wait. If you want the link, you can find it on the group as well. The link is pinned of the group, or I'll just pin it here itself so that from here directly you can join the next class. Those who are too lazy, please wait. Secret code will be provided later. There are 2 more classes now on sitting arrangement. Yeah, I'll share the link here. Please wait. Yes, Mohit, next class. Anyways, we are doing circular arrangement. So this is going to increase. The level is going to increase. And also last class is miscellaneous puzzle. That level is going to be like high. Okay, don't worry. Okay, if anybody is planning for plus, don't forget to use my code for personal guidance. The code is IRIA Agarwal without space. Yes, आज से ही start हुआ है. आज से ही start हुआ है. जो late joinees थे ये देख लो please, इसका screenshot ले लो. This is the entire schedule. The links of all these classes are there on the group. Come ahead. Next class link. Wait. Yeah, 1 second. I'm just finding it. How to join group? Please see the link is pinned. Here is the link for the next class. I'm pinning it. Click on this and you will reach the next class. Do it quickly. Okay, I'll be ending the class. Do it quickly. Question note करना है बाद में. You can download the PDF later. Don't worry. If you can't click on this link, you can do it on the group.